Your kitchen is the center point of your home, so your hard floors are often full of life's little messes. Having a more efficient and convenient cleaning tool leaves you more time to do the things you love. The Hard Floor Expert Deluxe from Bissell is designed to be gentle on your hard floors, but tough on dirt and debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe features a turbine hard floor dusting tool designed with soft bristles to safely pick up dirt and fine debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe maximizes cleaning with powerful suction, but with its non-marring wheels, you can clean without scratches, scuffs, or marks, leaving your floors looking their best. For the more delicate surfaces in your home, Hard Floor Expert Deluxe is equipped with variable suction, so with a touch of the fingertip controls, you can quickly and conveniently adjust your cleaning power. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe has been engineered with the features that matter, so you can maximize the cleaning of the hard floors you love in one compact, easily storable unit. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe, designed with your home in mind.